Hey everyone, my name is Donald Trump. My name is Zach anyways. Welcome, unique topic in history. He trusted this man with everything he had. That same man held the knife that killed him. Today, the most shocking betrayals in history. Trusted allies, powerful kings. No one saw it coming. 44 BC, Rome. Caesar is declared dictator for life. Some senators fear he secretly wants to be king. Among them is Brutus, Caesar's closest trusted friend. Senators convince him this will save the Republic. March 15th. He's warned. He simply laughs it off. He walks into the Senate. No guards, no weapons. Senators surround him. Hidden daggers suddenly appear everywhere. He sees Brutus among them, dagger raised high. A2, Brute, reportedly his final words ever. Stabbed 23 times by men he called friends. Trust, it turns out, was Caesar's fatal flaw. 480 BC. Leonidas and 300 Spartans block Persia's army. For 2 days, this narrow mountain pass holds firm. A shepherd named Ephialtes secretly visits the Persian camp. He knows a hidden path that circles the Spartans. He betrays his own people for nothing but gold. By morning, Persian soldiers surround the Spartans completely. Leonidas realizes he's completely surrounded on all sides. He sends most soldiers away to fight another day. 300 Spartans stay behind for one final stand. They fight until spears break, then swords, then hands. Leonidas falls, but buys Greece priceless extra time. Greece unites, building an army strong enough to win. Ephialtes gets his gold, but becomes deeply hated. Years later, he's hunted down for unrelated reasons. His name becomes the Greek word for nightmare. 300 died holding a line against an empire. One man's greed nearly erased their entire sacrifice. Leonidas is remembered forever as history's ultimate hero. Ephialtes is remembered only as history's ultimate traitor. Some betrayals nearly changed the fate of civilizations. Meet Benedict Arnold, America's most brilliant battlefield general. Washington trusts him completely, giving him major commands. Arnold feels underpaid, overlooked, and deeply disrespected constantly. Secretly, he begins negotiating with the British enemy. He's given command of the fort at West Point. His real plan, hand it directly to the British. A British spy secretly carries the stolen fort plans. American soldiers capture the spy and find documents. The plot unravels just hours before it succeeds. Arnold barely escapes, fleeing to a British ship. Washington discovers his most trusted general has betrayed him. He's devastated, having treated Arnold like a son. Arnold becomes a British general, fighting his former country. Even the British never fully trust him afterward. He dies in exile, unwanted by either side. His name becomes American slang for pure betrayal. Washington rebuilds trust in his wounded, shaken army. The war continues, and America eventually wins independence. Arnold's brilliance is forgotten, only his betrayal remembered. Genius and betrayal, forever intertwined in his legacy. 1940, Norway. Nazi Germany prepares a sudden invasion. King Haakon VII refuses to simply surrender. Vidkun Quisling, a politician, secretly supports the Nazis. He believes Norway should join the fascist movement. As Germany invades, Quisling declares himself the leader. He announces this without the king's knowledge or consent. King Haakon refuses to recognize this illegal new government. He flees north, refusing capture or forced surrender. Quisling begs Germany to officially recognize his government. Germany installs him as a powerless puppet ruler. He helps deport Jewish citizens to concentration camps. Thousands of Norwegians resist him throughout the war. King Haakon broadcasts hope to his people from exile. In 1945, Germany finally surrenders, ending the occupation. Quisling is arrested almost immediately by Norwegian authorities. He's tried for treason and war crimes committed. Found guilty, he's executed by firing squad shortly after. King Haakon returns home to a grateful, celebrating nation. Quisling's name becomes global slang for a traitor. To Quisling, someone now means to betray your country. 4 stories, 4 centuries, one repeating human pattern. Betrayal isn't random. It always starts with trust. The closer someone is, the deeper the potential wound. Caesar trusted Brutus like a son and paid dearly. Leonidas never saw Ephialtes' greed coming at all. Washington never suspected his gifted general would turn. Norway never expected betrayal from one of its own. History repeats this exact pattern again and again. Power, ambition, or gold, the motive always differs, but the outcome stays eerily, tragically similar every time. So which betrayal shocked you the absolute most? Comment below and tell us your honest opinion. If you enjoyed this, make sure you're subscribed. Next time, history's most brutal revenge stories ever. Thank you for watching. See you next video.